Oh my god, it's very hard to open. So I'll open this way. Again, this is something literally bad. I need to. अरे क्या हो गया इसमें? इन सालों ने बहुत से बड़ा गंदा सा दिया हुआ है. So here it is a bill. देखते हैं इसमें क्या लिखा है. वैसे दोस्तों की ये प्राइस हो गया 12,400. ये where is the product detail? I'm not able to find it here. Anyways, let's go to the next step. Here, this is phone MI Note 6 Pro. You can see over here, India's #1 smartphone brand. So now let's open it. This is completely packed, laminated, so we need to scrub it from somewhere right away. Let's scrub it. Oh my god. Now we have something near about to open this new phone. Okay, I'm very surprised. I'm very excited to see inside of it what exactly they are providing to the customer. So let me open it now. Do not accept it, seal if the broken. So let me broke it again. Not able to do. Very tight seal. So now I'm gonna open it. Very hard to open it, very hard. Somebody should have experience to open it. That's almost, it's getting open now. So here it is. Yeah. This is the new phone. Again, they have written Redmi Note 6 Pro. It has a super natural power. That's it has 20 megapixel plus 2 MP portrait selfie dual selfie camera. Then you will get a 12 MP and 5 MP dual camera, along with 4.2 quad-core large pixels, dual pixels autofocus, and it has 6.26 full HD screen, right?
Right.
And if we talk about the processor, so Snapdragon 366 is installed in this, and which is 14nm octa-core processor. So this is the super most fast processor right away in the
also
market.
very nice, huh?
Yeah, it looks very nice. This is the scan barcode. You can scan it to get the information about this phone. So let's open it again, and then before we going to open, just let's check the accessories inside of it. We'll have to take this. I think something is there inside.
Injection.
Let me open injection pin, maybe.
Yeah, here is.
This is the injection pin. You have to use it to. Oh my god, they are providing a cover, back cover also.
Black.
That's great, yeah. That's fantastic. You have also got the cover in phone. That's perfect. Oh my god, it's very nice. Superb. Can you see that it's a transparent phone?
Transparent.
It will save your phone as well, and the out.
Looks very nice also.
Yeah, it's very nice. And what about other accessories? You will get an adapter on this. It should be 4 or 5 mega MP. Not able to find. Anyways, and one USB.
It's Type C
Also.
or no? It's not Type C.
No, it's not Type C. It's simple. Oh, it's something different. What I see? Let me check it again. No. It's not
Type
Type C. It's simple. I don't know which type is this, but not Type C. Fuck man. Okay. Go to the next step. Before doing that, let me open my system. So now we'll press this key and the phone will get automatically started. Alright? So I am going to push it. What's gonna happen? Let me see. Before doing that,
Should I erase it?
I have to exit this. Oh, it's a screen. Oh my god.
So
Screen
nice,
looking so
man.
very perfect, wonderful.
Wonderful phone.
You can see mi.com.
Branding MI.
Yeah. It's full HD screen, so hopefully this work for me to playing the games.
From the
if you
back
have-
sides look like Apple phone.
Yeah. The
Apple
UI is
10.
the UI is up to Apple X again. And this side it looks like Samsung Galaxy S8 or 9 apart. To last to
Me
set up the
too.
phone, so let me
Start
go
them.
again to the next step.
Loading the test.
Lightning fast. I'll have
Choose
to
the
check
language.
the English India, then I'll go to the next step. Choose your region.
India.
Region is also my India. Yeah, very smooth touch screen, yeah. Very smooth. And he is my colleague, my brother, my friend,
Hey, bhai,
Rajat,
just
Mr. Rajat,
go, Rastogi.
who has gifted me this phone.
Very nice friend.
Skip, yeah. And I'll have to click on accept, blah blah blah. Checking for SIM card. Oh, sorry. Let's say skip this step. So before doing that, let me insert SIM card in it. Just pushed it one time, exact. And now I'm gonna push SIM card. Oh my god.
भाई 10 रुपए दे दिए मैं खरीद के लेकर आया करूँगा सच में
I have inserted SIM card into my phone. Let me check if this is, yeah, it accepted the network right now. Great. Can you just let me know your number?
My number.
8800.